What's up? So I'm just filming on my phone today. I'm just taking a quick break from work, and I wanted to go ahead and film my Ipsy box, the Boxycharm. So this is actually a pretty big box this time. This is it, and let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing in here is just the little Boxycharm paper. It just has stuff about them and everything. I don't think it has actually the products in here. Yeah, it's just got like beauty hacks and stuff like that. So that is the first thing in here. The next thing, which I'm kind of excited about, I don't need more brushes, but I'm kind of excited. These are the Beauty For Real, and I don't remember which ones these were, but I already have some of these and I really like them. So this is the complexion and powder brush, which I'm just going to take these little things off. So they look like this. These are extremely soft brushes. If you need some good brushes, the Beauty For Real are really good. I love them, and I'm happy to have more of these. Next up in here, I have the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Perfume Oil in Rose Bulgar. I don't know if I said that right, but so I'm curious how expensive this is because these are full-size products. But this is the perfume. Let's see what it smells like. So, so it actually screws off. So I guess this is a fancy perfume because it's got a little roll-on. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the wrist. Ooh. First of all, this is really strong. This is not normally how I would do them, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on. I mean, it smells nice. It definitely smells expensive. I'm gonna have to look and see how much this was. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen because, yeah, this smells expensive. But it smells nice. Like, I like this one. It still has like a pretty clean smell, so it's not like too floral or like old lady-ish. I don't mean that like offensively, but like you guys know how like certain old lady perfumes smell. It doesn't smell like that. It smells nice. So I like that. The next thing that I have in here is this, which I don't really want to say it, but it's the Rich Bitch Cactus plus Vitamin C Moisturizer. It's from Freck Beauty, whatever this brand is. Not entirely sure. So I have this. All I can smell right now is that perfume. It is really strong. I probably didn't need to put the extra on, but this is this. It literally is just a moisturizer. It doesn't specifically say face, so I think this is just like an all-over moisturizer. I can't really smell it right now because of the perfume. From what I can smell right now, it does not really have a scent to it. So if I notice anything in it, I'll let you know in my review. But that is that. And next up, I have this here, which God knows I don't need more palettes, but I keep getting them. So this right here is the Ciete London Brazilian Glow Eye and Face Palette. And it is in light medium. So it looks like this. It's really pretty shiny packaging. And then this is the actual makeup. So you can see it has like the highlight. It's got like a little bit of like light bronzer, some highlight, blush. So you could actually do like a whole face with this, which I actually really like these if I have to travel. So I've got that. And then next up in here, this is also from Ciete London. This is Olive. It is an eyeshadow palette. So very similar packaging, but in the olive tone. And then for this one, which I'm really excited about, it is like this. So it has a lot of like greens and like brown goldy shades. Very excited about this. I do really like that color. It kind of matches my eyes. So like, I also just really like it for the fall. So I think this will be really pretty. So I'm very excited to use that. And the last thing in here is this. It's from Ace Beauty, Effortless Radiance Loose Setting Powder. Which that is a very shiny packaging. So it is this right here, and it is just in the color Fair. It says the Effortless Radiance Loose Setting Powder features a lightweight, silky consistency that effortlessly blends into the skin, resulting in a velvety matte look and a subtle glow that effectively minimizes shine for the day. So that is that. Not much to really show you guys on that right now. It's just got like that kind of packaging on the inside. So yeah, just a normal thing like this. But that is all the things that I got. I'm very excited to give them a try and to review them. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!